Hi, it's me.
Hello, I'm alive, and today I just wanna give you guys a very quick update on my um, cactus progression growing from seeds. So I hope you will enjoy, and we start with Oreocereus silesiensis, and I did that June 21, so it's 2 months, and these are results. So these are the results, and I have two small babies. Actually, this is the one which were the hardest, and I will now put on my macro lens. If you wonder what I do my macro with, this is it. And let us see how this little guy looks like. Wait, let me. So this is the little baby, and here's another one. So let's see the next seeds and how. Let's see how much they grew, and this one will be, I don't know if I have a meter or something, but I'm guessing this one is not so tall, like maybe it's 8 millimeters high. Let's try the next one. And the next one is Notocactus Lenin. Oh well, it's a Notocactus. And let's see, there is some algae buildup, yes, but we have our winner, and it's here. And this one is tiny, it's like maybe 3 millimeters. And we have another one, it's here, and it's very tiny. And we have two here. This one was the most difficult one, or I don't know, maybe the seeds weren't so great, I'm not really sure. So let's bring out the little baby into the spotlight. So this is oh, okay, I show you, Q-tip is quite universal. So this is Q-tip and this is the cactus. And let's see in macro. So I think it's very pretty. Looks kind of sunburned. Not sunburned, but the color is changed because of I think it's because of how much light it gets. And I will spray it a little because I feel soil is kind of dry. Okay, so let's see the next one. And the third one is islaiensis, and these are quite good because I have one here, I have two here, and I have one more here. So the outcome of these are much better. As you know, I got the seeds from the Scandinavian Cactus Society. So this is the baby from islaiensis. I think this one is so cute. So this is the big one, and let's see the small one. The small one is quite fun. So, and one more. So I really like this one. So this is 2 months of growth. They practically may or may not be almost the same. And I will show you now the setup. And I'm sorry, I'm filming with my phone. And it's quite dark and late. And I'm getting ready for expo tomorrow. So this is my propagation station, and I have my these are my what are these? Crassula, something with a necklace. I don't remember. This one I burned, and this is the rest one. And look, guys, my measure cup broke. It broke here. It's a hole. So I put some pumice inside that it will grow over there. And this one are my new babies. They are Titanopsis, Pleiopsis, and Fensteria. This is another propagation station here, and I'm doing a kind of research. This one is under the growing lights from IKEA. I don't know if you can. Yeah, you can see the white light and the red light. And this one is 16 hours a day. It's like a real bright day, summer day. So these are over here. The other ones are over here. I'm not propagating any salad or anything else because I'm moving soon. So this is my update. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you soon. Bye.